Economics helps us understand how individual actions lead to larger social outcomes.
You see, economics is part of our life. Every aspect which is related to consumption, production, and things of that nature, which we have to every day for our survival do, is economics.
How do human beings cooperate? What are their motivations? Where are their points of conflict? How is it that the system suddenly seems to stop and people are thrown out of jobs? How are the fruits of labor in general distributed and appropriated? Think about what's going on right now. This video is being shot in Bangalore on a camera made in Japan using components from everywhere. This is being streamed to you through servers sitting somewhere, maybe in the US, or through satellites. Now think about the enormous amount of economic activity that has gone on behind that. Economics is all about understanding this grand and mysterious coordination of human activity.
At Azim Premji University, what we are trying to do is to provide students with both the way of looking at economic problems, not only the orthodox way, but also the classical way. So the approach is much more broader and much more critical in its nature.
Of course, you really have to understand numbers and mathematics and abstract concepts. You have to understand history. How is it that the system got to where it is, and how do we see it going forward? You have to understand philosophy. Why is it that we disagree about the basic premises of the way we organize society? And you have to understand morals, ethics, ecological sustainability, a whole range of issues if you really want to be a contributing member of society and a good economist to boot.
Today there is no dearth of information and no dearth of real talent, but what is perhaps missing is this ability to frame questions. When you see poverty around you, how is it that you understand the problem itself? The first thing is to devise certain methods by which you articulate the question really well. This we do here at Azim Premji University by sending students to the field so that they can ask questions and come back with their observations, which is then discussed in class.
One of the things we focus on is how to solve a problem or research a problem using a historically informed methodology. Another capability we're very strongly working on is working with data and interpreting it. Lastly, we focus a lot on not only teaching students how to analyze stuff, but also how to evaluate from different outcomes and determine which is ethically better for society.
The BA in Economics consists of 6 core courses and 5 electives. The 6 core courses are designed to make sure that you have an understanding of what every economist needs to know in terms of theory and empirical practice. The 5 electives allow you to explore broadly in things you may be interested in. For example, behavioral economics, economic history, and other such subjects. When you are done with the economics undergraduate course, we hope for students to be socio-politically engaged. We want our students to be able to contribute to the debates in the economy about how we organize society and how to think about how to change the world that we see.